Welcome to Trading Sadhguru. Hope you are liking our videos. And in the last video, we have given the levels for Nifty and Bank Nifty for Monday. And the Nifty Bank Nifty part, the audio was mute due to some technical reasons. We regret the inconvenience caused, if any, to our viewers. And let us now discuss the weekly range of Nifty, that is for 18th April to 21st April 2022. So this is a weekly chart of Nifty. If you see that the whole up move, you can try to accommodate in a rising channel, and here you can see that there is a change in trend, and the slope of this trend line is downwards, and this low was made on the note of Russia-Ukraine war and subsequent happenings, and market recovered from here on and taken an upward direction and taking resistance around this trend line. So on a weekly note, this is a doji kind of a candle and corrected from the top, and this is a negative candle. So we can this setup is a negative setup. So for the next week we can expect a minor correction and then reversal, but the overall trend is positive, and this temporary, what do you call, correction is about consolidation or minor reversal, and there is a pullback. If you see, if you have to draw a line, you can clearly see that this has been the pattern all the way from the bottom to the top, and then little correction. So you can 16,682 is a very strong support even on a monthly and weekly basis. But on a weekly note, you can say that this line is acting as a support. If there is any correction, further correction, it may come here and then reverse. For more clarity, let us now go to daily candle. So this is a daily time frame chart, and you can see that the moving average is 200-day moving average, that is red line, and almost the 50-day moving average are meeting at this point. So this is somewhere around 17,160. 17,160. So this is a strong support, and this is 100-day moving average around 17,296, roughly you can say 17,300. So based on the trend, we can say that in the absence of any adverse political or geopolitical action, under the normal conditions, 17,160 to 17,300 is a very strong support zone for on a weekly note, 17,160 to 17,300. And you can see on a daily chart that these two are, what does these two candles signify? So these two indicate indecision or some sort of support around that 17,475 levels. If the market has to come down, then 160 to 300 will act as support, and if market is to go up, 17,774 is an important level, after which you can say that so this is the range that you can look for the coming week: 17,160 to 300, 18,000 to 18,100. You can say that the range is what you call quite huge, considering that 700 points difference from the high to low. So 350 points on either side is possible on a weekly basis. And you may also note that the VIX is coming down and it is now below 20. So this is a right time for option sellers to implement their strategies as VIX is below. This is a weekly chart of Bank Nifty, and this is the long-term trend line, and these are shorter time frame trend lines. So if you look at it, we are at the upper end of the trend line, and slight correction from these levels is possible, or you may see witness a sideways action. This is from a weekly chart point of view. Let us now move to daily chart and see. In a daily time frame chart, Bank Nifty daily time frame chart, you can see that the Bank Nifty is within this range broadly. So this Fibonacci number, that's golden ratio, 37,336. So 37,336 is acting as a support on the downside, and you are finding resistance around 37,967. So all the action broadly is in between these levels for the last 6 trading days. So you can expect a similar time frame like pattern the coming 1 or 2 days, or else considering the weekly time frame, you may expect, if there is a gap down, you may expect a breakdown from these levels, and you can look for 36,883 levels, this level. So from weekly point of view, bias is negative, and from daily point of view, it is sideways, and it is near the bottom line of the trading range of last 6 days. So if there is a gap down, you can expect a breakdown, else you may see a sideways action. That is all for the coming week, and every day I'll be posting my views on Nifty and Bank Nifty for the purpose of trading, intraday trading, and you may take use them for even swinger positional trading. So the levels we know, whether you want to go for option selling or option buying, or future buying or future selling, it depends on the mastery of your ability to limit your losses and protect in case of worst case scenarios. So you should also be knowing the amount that you can risk and the reward that you are expecting for your trade. If you know clearly and if you execute it properly, so you will be doing good in trading. Else you may have to review your trading systems and the trading logics. Take care. Bye bye.